Sanika Nirmal and I'll be your host for the brand new show Tech Review brought to you by Millionlights TV. In this show, we provide you information on innovation and technology in today's world. If you get that adrenaline rush while driving cars, automobiles is your passion. You are the person who knows in and out of cars. I have a wonderful new advancement in technology to share with you. Aeromobil, an advanced engineering company that is commercializing a sophisticated flying car, launched its new model of Aeromobil Flying Car at Top Marcus, Monaco, the world's most exclusive supercar show on April 20, 2017. Aeromobil is completely integrated aircraft as well as a fully functioning four-wheeled car powered by hybrid propulsion. By combining aero and car functionality in perfect harmony, it heralds a new era in efficient and exciting travel, offering users an unparalleled choice of transport on the road or in the air. According to Aeromobil, the next generation vehicle is fully functional as both a four-wheeled car and an aircraft. The flying car is also environmentally conscious because of its hybrid engine. Aeromobil aims to make personal transportation vastly more efficient and environmentally friendly by allowing significantly faster door-to-door travel for medium-distance trips and in areas with limited or missing road infrastructure. Talking about mechanism, if the Aeromobil 3.0 prototype is anything to go by, the interior will be absolutely stuffed to the gills with flight gauges and dials, looking much more like a cockpit than a dash. Arriving at an airstrip, the Aeromobil converts to flight mode at the touch of a button, with the wings folding out and power being redirected from the front wheels back to the pusher prop. You'll need a pilot's license to fly this thing. Either a sports pilot license at a minimum or a private pilot license as Aeromobil recommends. Let me dig deeper and explain mechanics behind flying cars. This section might be a little technical, but I'm sure it is going to be worth knowing. Let's find out how it works. The adjustable wing can optimize its angle of attack for taking off or cruising. This allows for reduced speed and distance during takeoff. Light materials including a carbon composite body over a steel airframe and 6-pound carbon wheels keep weight low. The prototype's 100 horsepower 4-cylinder Rotax 912 engine runs on conventional gasoline, so drivers can fuel up at existing gas stations. A robust suspension will enhance on-road performance and enable takeoff and landing on relatively rough terrain. Avionics from Garmin will include a 2-axis autopilot to control pitch and roll. In case of emergency, the vehicle will have a ballistic parachute safety system. So guys, flying cars have long been in the public's imagination, thanks to movie concepts, and this imagination is about to come. Unlike many of the others, it looks so cool and it will draw more eyeballs on the road than Lamborghini. It's better than a bird, better than a plane, maybe even better than Superman. It's a flying car. So guys, that's all for today. Hope you've enjoyed the show. In the next show, we will come with another new and exciting review on innovation and technology. To learn online, log on to our website millionlights.org. Additionally, you can find Millionlights on Facebook. Our Twitter handle is million_lights1 and do find Millionlights1 on Instagram. To see more videos like this, do subscribe to our YouTube channel Millionlights.org. For any queries, information or feedback, feel free to write to us at support@millionlights.org or give us a missed call on +9122 30778274. We are also available on mobile TV apps like Asianet, Yup TV and JioChat. You can watch our TV channel Million Lights across our partner ecosystem Den Manoranjan and Next Generation Cable Networks. So guys, goodbye and keep watching Million Lights. See you soon and thank you so much.